How can you make out whether any advocate is of good quality? Even before an advocate does any task in relation to your case, there are two parts in relation to his competence in advocacy. Firstly, accurate knowledge of law, and secondly, accurate knowledge of the facts leading to your case. That is, the accurate reason as to why the case is filed. This means that it is not enough that the advocate is well known for his competence. He should be interested in presenting your matter, that is, your case well. You can ensure the second part, that is, about advocate's interest in your case, by behaving well with him and by paying his due fees in time. Not all advocates have the same competence. There's a huge difference between the best advocates and the not best advocates. So, the other question which then remains is, how do you know that the advocate is competent in the knowledge of law? The answer? The way brand of reputed companies tells you the most likely good quality of their product. An advocate who has tackled any deadly, that is grave, that is serious case of a serious allegation successfully is the one having quality in legal knowledge. Only such an advocate can be trusted for his knowledge and skills, that is, legal competence. And where do you know about an advocate's reputation? In the court itself, where the clerks are present, where the other advocates are present, where the policemen are present, and in the jail also. These are the places which tell about whether any advocate has actually tackled any such case and whether the tackling was successful. In India, generally, the best of trial court advocates in sessions courts do not argue the matters in reed courts. Criminal courts are either JMFC courts, that is Judicial Magistrate First Class, JMFC, or sessions courts. The district courts are called sessions courts, and the taluka level courts, tehsil level courts, are generally JMFC courts. The prosecution of more serious cases is conducted in the sessions courts. The prosecution in less serious cases is conducted in the JMFC courts. The Honorable High Courts and the Honorable Supreme Court are called reed courts. The best of advocates in reed courts generally do not defend trials in sessions courts. It cannot be said with certainty, and it is not that the best of advocates in the reed courts can be the best of trial court advocates. Trial, specifically the cross-examination of witnesses, is a special skill in itself. This also does not mean that the trial court advocates are liars and that they need skills of speaking lies. It is that they need skills of eliciting the truth accurately by accurate cross-examination, and there are skills for doing this. It is not just some questions asked to the witnesses. There are very few exceptions to this practice. Note these facts before choosing your advocate.